This is the HD lace wig deep wave, and I'm going to show you after I install on my head.
Let me show you how
Who say
I
man cannot install the deep wave lace
wave
wig?
lace wig.
I'm going to show you how it looks like on my head. I like it very much, and like my other ladies, they like it very much. Every day we shoot this kind of wigs to the US and the United Kingdom and the other European countries. Okay, it's time to go to a show. Welcome to join me. Let's show the ladies how it looks like. It's very beautiful hair, deep wave. You can keep the curl very well. You can straighten the curl, wash the hair, and the curl can keep very well. That's perfect.
Okay, this is the 14-inch and 16-inch. This one. And this is normally how we do this one. So it's 10th June today. This one. Very soon I will show you a very good new place where we do the hair videos. This is only my hair shop. That some vendors and other customers, they come here to purchase the hair, but I will show you a very good new place. And this is a deep way you can spray with the water, and still you can use the comb, the big comb, to comb the hair after spraying with water, and the curl can keep very well.